Are you in the market for a powerful and versatile camera that captures stunning images with precision and clarity? Look no further. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best Nikon cameras, renowned for their exceptional quality, innovative features, and user-friendly designs. Whether you're a seasoned professional, an enthusiastic hobbyist, or just starting your photography journey, Nikon offers a range of options tailored to your needs. From DSLRs to mirrorless systems, each model brings its own set of advantages. Join us as we delve into the top contenders, helping you make an informed choice for your next photographic adventure. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Nikon D3500. If you're stepping into the world of photography, the Nikon D3500 is an exceptional choice for beginners. Its straightforward controls and user-friendly interface provide a seamless experience, making it an ideal DSLR for newcomers like you. What truly sets the D3500 apart is its innovative guide shooting mode. This feature offers simple step-by-step instructions, helping you grasp the fundamentals of photography while you practice. In addition to its ease of use, you'll appreciate the impressive battery life that ensures you won't miss those important moments. The camera's high-quality advanced photo system Type-C sensor delivers outstanding image quality, allowing your photos to look professional even as you learn. Plus, with a wide variety of native lenses, including full-frame FX lenses, you have ample opportunities to expand your kit as your skills develop. Although the D3500 is a budget-friendly starter camera, it does lack 4K video capabilities and rapid burst rates, which might not matter to you as you're starting out. Keep in mind that this model has been discontinued, so your best bet is to look for it secondhand. As you embark on your photography journey, the Nikon D3500 makes it easy to understand and appreciate the art of capturing stunning images, putting the world at your fingertips. It's more than just a camera. It's a reliable companion that will grow with you and support your creative exploration. At number 4, Nikon Z 30 full-frame mirrorless camera. The Nikon Z30 marks an exciting entry into the vlogging camera arena, especially if you're searching for an affordable option that doesn't skimp on quality. Designed with portability in mind, this camera also offers the ergonomic comfort you've come to expect from Nikon, making it a pleasure to use during those long vlogging sessions. While the Z30 lacks a viewfinder, which can limit its versatility for photography, it utilizes a sensor that delivers impressive image and video quality, comparable to its higher-priced siblings. This model is specifically crafted for vlogging, featuring a fully articulated touchscreen that makes it easy to frame your shots, a large video recording button for quick operation, and a stereo microphone that surprisingly outperforms many built-in options. However, keep in mind that its battery life isn't the strongest, particularly during extended 4K recording sessions, which can also lead to overheating. If you're willing to work around these limitations, the Nikon Z30 stands out as a formidable, budget-friendly choice for anyone looking to capture engaging vlogs. It's a tool designed for creativity, empowering you to share your unique perspective with the world. If you're ready to step into the realm of vlogging, the Z30 might just be the perfect companion for your journey. Number 3, we have the Nikon Z50 full-frame mirrorless camera. If you're looking to enhance your photography skills without breaking the bank, an advanced photo system Type-C camera is a smart choice. Opting for a model like the mirrorless Nikon Z50 allows you to save money while still enjoying impressive features. The Z50 stands out among Nikon's offerings and is an excellent entry point for budding photographers. While it may not be the tiniest advanced photo system Type-C camera available, the Z50 offers exceptional handling, solid build quality, and outstanding capabilities for the price. You'll appreciate its weather-sealed design, providing you with confidence as you capture moments in various outdoor conditions. Equipped with a robust 20-megapixel advanced photo system Type-C sensor, this camera excels in low-light situations, ensuring your images remain vibrant and detailed even in challenging lighting. With a max burst rate of 11 frames per second, you'll be able to capture fast-moving subjects effortlessly. Additionally, the impressive autofocus system and 4K recording capability at 30 frames per second make the Z50 a versatile tool for both photography and videography. Whether you're photographing a family gathering or venturing into nature, the Nikon Z50 empowers you to explore your creative potential without the burden of heavy gear. It's not just a camera, it's a gateway to unlocking your passion for photography while staying within your budget. Invest in the Nikon Z50 and watch your skills flourish. At number 2, Nikon Z5 Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. If you're in the market for an affordable full-frame camera, the Nikon Z5 could be the perfect fit for you. This model stands out as one of the best entry-level options available, making it a worthwhile consideration for budding photographers. While it does come with some trade-offs like a maximum burst rate of just 5 frames per second and limited capabilities for advanced video work, what it offers in photography is truly impressive. You'll appreciate the ergonomics that Nikon cameras are known for. The Z5 is not only comfortable to hold but also weather-sealed, providing protection against dust and moisture. This makes it a reliable partner for your outdoor photography adventures. With its high-resolution sensor, you can expect exceptional image quality that captures vibrant colors and stunning details. The large, high-resolution electronic viewfinder allows for precise framing, while the in-body image stabilization ensures better handheld shooting stability, perfect for those spontaneous moments. If your primary focus is on photography rather than complex video projects, you'll find that the Z5 delivers excellent value without breaking the bank. Plus, it leaves you with extra budget for quality lenses, enabling you to expand your creative possibilities. If you're seeking faster burst shooting or enhanced video features, you might consider the higher-end Z6 III. However, for full-frame image quality at a budget-friendly price, the Nikon Z5 is a compelling option that aligns with your photographic aspirations. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Nikon ZF Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. The Nikon ZF beautifully merges retro aesthetics with state-of-the-art technology, creating a camera that not only looks stunning, but also elevates your photography experience. Drawing inspiration from classic Nikon SLRs, the ZF invites you to delve deep into your passion for photography, all while optimizing performance to match your creative vision. With its advanced processor and enhanced autofocus system, this camera captures every moment with precision. Plus, the in-body image stabilization ensures that your shots remain sharp and free of unwanted shake, resulting in breathtaking visuals. But the ZF isn't just a photographer's dream, it excels in videography as well. Imagine capturing your adventures in 4K at 60 frames per second with the added ability of internal 10-bit recording, allowing you to produce professional quality videos effortlessly. Whether you are exploring breathtaking landscapes or capturing lively urban scenes, this camera adapts to your creative style. If you are drawn to the vintage look but seek a more budget-friendly or portable alternative, consider the Nikon ZFC. While it features a simpler autofocus system and basic video capabilities, it remains a fantastic choice for aspiring photographers and vloggers who value both style and quality. Ultimately, both the ZF and ZFC encourage you to express your creativity through striking images and engaging videos, all while embracing the nostalgic charm of classic design. Which camera will you choose to elevate your storytelling journey? As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which Nikon camera you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.